Hello, this is Cyber Dragon. Today I'm going to tell you guys how to remove and install cabin air filter for Nissan Altima 2015. You can buy this brand, Echo brand. It's $10 on Amazon. It comes with this air filter and the instructions. Here's the old air filter, which I just took it out. Before you install it, first thing you gotta do is you can remove the cabinet if you want to. That's the hard way. But makes it more easier. You can remove the black plastic installer. Looks like this. Remove it. So just here, down here, click it off. Go bottom. It's in the far back. And when my finger is right here, this is where it belongs. Then you have to pinch it down to about 50%, then get it in. And then install it in. We put back everything. So do it like this and this. Punch it down. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with everyone. And I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.